ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयुन् ऋलक् एओं ऐ औच् अयवरट् लन् न्यामाननम् अभै षडधश् जबगडदश् खथ चथ चतथौ कपै शशसल् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः यशानां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः पूपू पद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ न्यामाङ्गनानां नासिका च एदैतोः कण्ठतालु Odau togo kantha oshtam.
Udauto
Oshtam
Sakarasya danta oshtam.
Makarasya danta oshtam
Yakva muli yasya jakva mulyam.
Jivamuliyasya jivamuliyam
Nasika anusvarasya.
Nasika anusvarasya
Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje.
Ramo Rajam Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje
Ramena Bhigata Nishachara Chamo Ramaya Tasmai Namaha.
Ramena Bhigata Nishacharachamo Ramaya Tasmai Namaha
Nasti Parayanam Parataram Ramasya Dasosmyaham.
Ramanasti Parayanam Parataram Ramasya Dasosmyaham
Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me. O Ramamuddhara.
Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me O Rama Mamuddhara.
The first Gana, Vadigana, we are seeing different dhatus and their derivations. Simple Latlakara Rupam. The important rules, what you need to remember is when a Sarvadhatuka Pit Pratyaya follows, the Anga ending with Ik letter will take Guna. That is number one. Rasva Ik Upada, the penultimate short Ik will take Guna. This is when the Sarvadhatuka Pit Pratyaya follows. When Apit Pratyaya follows, nothing happens. So we have seen many dhatus and some special forms, special rules also. Like Gug dhatu will not become Goha when Ajadi Pratyaya follows. We saw when a Pratyaya beginning with Ach follows. Ajadi is, Ach is the Adi in the beginning. Ajadi Pratyaya. That will not become, it will become Dirga. It will not become Guna. Here, Gug plus Shab plus Te. The Pratyaya is Sarvadhatuka Pit Pratyaya. So follows Gug. Gu will not become Go. Here it's an exception. Instead, what will happen? It will become Dirga. Gu become Gug. Therefore, Gu Hate, Gu Hete, Gu Hante. Iti Isa. Similarly, many dhatus we have seen before. So we don't have to see what has happened before. We'll proceed further. The last class I gave these three dhatus as homework. Gupu, that is Gup, Dup, Pan and Pan. These three dhatus, four dhatus, will take Aya Pratyaya. And then only you can add the Tip Pratyayas. That is Ting Pratyayas. For Lat Lakara, we have Ting Pratyayas. So these four dhatus, first it will take Aya Pratyaya. Adding Aya Pratyaya, you get a new dhatu. That dhatu will be treated like a first Gana dhatu. So Gup plus Aya. Aya is what Pratyaya? Is it a Sarvadhatuka? No. Definition of Sarvadhatuka is Tingshit Sarvadhatukam. Ting Pratyayas Tiptasji Siktastha Mitpasmas Ta Atam Jat Thas Atamdam Itpaki Magi. These are the 18 pratyas. 9 plus 9, 18 pratyas, Ting pratyaya. And the pratyaya in which Shakara is it. Those are only Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. The rest are Ardhadhatukam. So Aya is Ardhadhatuka. So when Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya is added, what will happen? Here, Gup will become Gu. Like Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, here also it will happen. That is, Angakarya will happen. Therefore, now you have to note here. What is that? The two Angakaryas I told, that we saw in the context of Sarvadhatuka. Now we have to know it in the context of Ardhadhatuka. Here, I will write and show you. This Aya is Ardhadhatuka. Is there any doubt with in that?
No, ji.
Is there any doubt in that? Is it Sarvadhatukam?
No, it's not.
No, ji.
Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya. Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya. And therefore, as we saw before, the two rules, Angakarya. Now the same Angakarya, I'm writing Angakarya Sambandhini Sambandha Niyamaha, Mukhya Niyamaha, rules. That is, please see here, important. That is, I'm writing within Sanskrit also, you can just see whether you can follow. Iganta Anga means what?
Anga ending with ik.
Anga ending with ik letter. What are the ik letters?
EU.
Rul.
Minus a Guruji and Riluk.
Ivu, only the fourth. Iganta Anga will take Guna. Iganta will take Guna. This is one Angakarya. Then Rasvaik Upada. Rasvaik Upada also will take Guna. Either the last letter of the Anga, if it is ik, or the penultimate, if it is a short ik. Either one will happen. Both cannot happen. Why? If one is a vowel, other must be a consonant. Two vowels cannot come one after the other. It comes Sandhi will happen. So these are the two Angakaryas. When does this happen? The question comes. When does this happen? That is, it happens when a Sarvadhatuka or Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya follows, then this Angakarya will happen. I'm writing when a Sarvadhatuka or Ardhadhatuka. When a Sarvadhatuka or Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya follows, then Iganta will take Guna, Rasvaikupada will take Guna. So the Pratyaya, the following could be any Pratyaya. Previous it's Sarvadhatuka, but now I'm saying Ardhadhatuka because we are dealing with this Pratyaya, which is Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya. Therefore, so when a Sarvadhatuka or Ardhadhatuka Pratyaya follows, then Iganta will take Guna, Rasvaikupada will take Guna. This above Angakarya, right? This Angakarya will not happen. The above Angakarya is above Angakarya is negated, will not happen. It's negated when the Pratyaya is what is Kit Pratyaya. The Pratyaya is Kit Pratyaya. When Pratyaya is Kit or Ngit or Git, writing everything. When the Pratyaya is Kit, Ngit or Kit. What is kit means? What is pratyaya is kit means?
Pratyaya is ending with kaka. Kit, right?
Pratyaya.
Yeah.
He only.
Pratyaya
No,
and
ending
akara
kit.
as it letter.
It
It's
letter.
called kit. Pratyaya having na akara as it letter. It's called git pratyaya. Pratyaya having gakara as it letter is called git pratyaya. So when the pratyaya is kit pratyaya or nit pratyaya or git pratyaya, then angakarya will not happen. So if there is a sarvadhatuka or adadhatuka pratyaya having kakara as it letter or nakara or gakara, anyone, then it will not cause angakarya. Now we are doing here there is an adadhatuka pratyaya, which is not a kit, which is not a nit, not a git. Therefore, it can cause angakarya. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
If
Yes,
suppose
ji.
if the pratyaya is ayat, I'm just saying ayat, where kakara is with the letter, then it will not cause angakarya. But the pratyaya is only ayat. Therefore, it can cause angakarya, either of these two, depending on the condition of the anga. The above angakarya is negated. Any one only will happen. That's why the above angakarya is negated, but the pratyaya is kit, nit or kit. This is one thing. Second thing is, please see, I'll ask one question, you answer now. This Sarvadhatuka. Okay, this let me show here until that's good. Here, okay. These are the rule. Remember, Sarvadhatuka, apit is, what did we do? Sarvadhatuka pit and Sarvadhatuka apit, two types we saw. Sarvadhatuka apit, will it cause angakarya?
No, only with pratyaya.
Hmm?
It will not because two vowels coming together.
Two
Sorry. Sorry.
No connection at all. No
Yeah.
connection with my question. You answered.
The
What is two vowels coming together? Sandhi will happen.
Sandhi will happen,
Sarvadhatuka
two
pit.
vowels.
Sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya. Suppose if it follows the anga, will angakarya happen? Yes or no?
No, Guruji.
Why?
No.
Because it is either Pararupa Sandhi will happen or Gunasandhi Karya will happen.
Because karya doesn't happen, therefore it happens. But this we saw it before, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
The pit pratyas, Sarvadhatuka pratyas can be classified into two. Sarvadhatuka pratyas can be classified into two. We saw that before. What are these
Yes.
Sarvadhatuka apit pratyas? Tell me, what are these Sarvadhatuka apit pratyas?
Everything except me, see,
Other
the.
than
In this screen, you see the pratyas. Are they
Everything
Sarvadhatuka?
except.
Yes.
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 And in that, Parasmaipadi Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam Pit, Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana Pratyaya Sit, and Uttama Purusha Ekavachana is Pit. These three are Pit Pratyas, Sarvadhatuka Pit Pratyas. So we said that is why in the condition itself before, when a Sarvadhatuka Pit Pratyaya follows, only Angakarya will happen. That is how I introduced in the beginning. And other pratyas are not pit, therefore apit. Na pit, apit. When a sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya follows, what did we say? Angakarya will not happen, right? And yes or no?
Yes.
Guru.
Did I say or not before?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You remember,
Yes,
right?
Ji.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, here what I'm saying is the above Angakaryas is negated when the pratyaya is kit, git, or nit. Above Angakarya negated when the pratyaya is kit, nit, or git. And Sarvadhataka pit pratyaya will not cause Angakarya. Why it will not cause Angakarya is Sarvadhataka pit pratyaya is considered to be kit. Is considered to be kit. Therefore, only when a Sarvadhataka apit pratyaya follows, Angakarya doesn't happen. Please note this. Sarvadhataka apit pratyaya is considered to be kit. Therefore, no Angakarya happens. No Angakarya happens. Therefore, Angakarya will happen only when it is followed by Sarvadhataka.
Sarvadhatu pit pratyaya.
The context here, we are doing Sarvadhataka only here. In this dhatu, one adhatuka pratyaya came. Therefore, only we talk about adhatuka. Otherwise, only Sarvadhatuka. Here, aya pratyaya is ardhatuka pratyaya. When adhatuka pratyaya, what will happen? The niyama is whether it is a Sarvadhatuka pratyaya or adhatuka pratyaya. Anything. Yiganta will take guna, dasvaika pada will take guna. This is a rule. Since in the beginning we did not deal with the ardhatuka pratyaya, that's why I didn't mention. But now I am saying, and the Angakaryas are same only. Angakaryas are same Angakarya only. And these Angakaryas will be negated when the pratyaya is kit or nit or git. And Sarvadhataka apit pratyaya, I told before, when the apit pratyaya follows, Angakarya will not happen. Why it will not happen? Because it is considered to be kit. It is deemed to be kit. It's considered to be, it is treated to be kit. It is treated, even though kakara as ita letter not there in the pratyaya, is there in this pratyas kakara as ita letter in apit pratyas?
No.
Thus is there. Thus is apit or pit.
Apit.
Apit.
Is there any kakara as ita letter in this pratyaya?
No.
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 But it is deemed to be kit. It is deemed to be nit, not kit. Sorry, I don't read kit. It is deemed to be nit, not kit. It doesn't matter anyway. What it may be, Angakarya will not happen. It is deemed to be nitvat, not kit. It is deemed to be nit. Whether it is kit or nit or git, Angakarya will not happen. Please note that. Here it is deemed to be nit. So this nakara is ita letter, not there. So therefore, tas pratyaya, which is sarvadhataka pit pratyaya, not it is not pit, pakara is ita letter not there, and therefore it cannot cause Angakarya when we say it should be something having, it should be some pratyaya, it should be a pratyaya having either kakara or nkara or gakara as ita letter. Then only it will not cause Angakarya. That is the condition for negating the Angakarya. When Angakarya will not happen, please listen carefully. When Angakarya will not happen, only when the pratyaya is kit or nit or git. Only the Angakarya will not happen. But here tas pratyaya, it is not a pit, it is apit. It is not a pit, it is apit. But it is not a kit, it is not a git, it is not a nit pratyaya. Then how it will negate Angakarya if you ask? That is why I said Sarvadhataka apit pratyaya is deemed to be nit, indirectly assigning nitvam to Sarvadhataka apit pratyaya. We are negating the Angakarya. Does it make sense what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Sharanji.
No?
Yes,
Yeah.
Guruji.
Unmute your mic and answer all of you. Is it understand what I'm saying?
Yes,
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 sir.
Guruji.
Yes, Ji.
Sarvadhataka apit pratyaya. For example, if you take tas pratyaya, any pratyaya you take, tip tas, then this anti or tas, any pratyaya. These are some of the pratyas, right? This is sarvadha. These are sarvadhataka pratyaya. Yes, but it is not pit. Fine. Therefore, they are apit. But it is it a kit pratyaya? Kit pratyaya, kakara should be there as a it letter, or nakara should be there, or kakara should be there. Not there. Then how you call? Then how you say that sarvadhataka apit pratyaya negates angakarya? We say apit pratyayas are deemed to be nit. Nitvam is assigned. This has got nitvam. This nitvam is assigned to this pratyaya because it is apit. If it is pit, you cannot assign. This is not in the case of tip. Tip is sarvadhataka pratyaya. Sarvadhataka pit pratyaya. That will cause angakarya. Whereas here there is no pit, it is apit, and it is deemed to be nit. Therefore, angakarya is negated. Therefore, angakarya is negated when the pratyaya is kit, nit, or git. This is also a rule. Angakarya is negated when the pratyaya is kit, nit, or git. Angakarya is negated when the pratyaya is kit or git. Then the next one is sarvadhataka apit is deemed to be nit. That is sarvadhataka pratyaya deemed to be nit. Nitvam. Sarvad, I'll write here. Sarvadhataka apit pratyayasya nitvam asti. It is deemed to be nit. Therefore, when sarvadhataka apit pratyaya follows, no angakarya happens. This is what in the beginning onwards I have been telling. When apit pratyaya follows, sarvadhataka apit, angakarya will not happen. So now, collectively, you need to understand this, all the points, 4 points. When a sarvadhataka, ardhataka pratyaya follows, these are the 2 possible angakaryas. Other angakaryas are there. We are going to see that. Iganta will take guna number 1, or Rasvaikupada will take guna. Either one will happen. These 2 will be negated when the pratyaya is, the pratyaya meaning sarvadhatuka or adadhatuka. If it is kit, nit, or git, meaning the pratyaya having kakara or nakara or kakara as it letter, packing letter. Angakarya is negated. Then sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya is deemed to be git. It's considered to be git. Even though nakara as it letter not there, still apit, sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya deemed to be git. And because of the above rule, git pratyaya negates angakarya. Therefore, sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya negates angakarya. Clear?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Yes, Ji.
Now,
Yes,
coming
Guru.
back here, this rule, this rule is important. We are going to see that later. Now, when adadhatuka pratyaya, here, this pratyaya, group will take aya pratyaya, we said, being as adadhatuka pratyaya, it will cause angakarya, anga being, anga having the last letter pakara, so it is not verbal. See the what is a penultimate letter, which is short ik, that will take guna, angakarya will happen. Therefore, gopaya. Now, gopaya is a new dhatu. The new dhatu or derived dhatu considered to be belonging to the first gana. Therefore, you can add the pratyayas, ting pratyayas, and derive the forms. Lak lakara rupam, present tense form you can derive. So, gopaya plus tit. Gopaya deemed to be first gana, therefore, shap will walk in. Gana vikarna will come. Gopaya plus shap. Shap is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, Pit Pratyaya. It cannot cause any Angakarya. Why? Because the last letter being Akara, which is not equilater, and the penultimate is Yakara, which is not a vowel. So no Angakarya possible. So therefore, just add, do the Sandhi. Gopaya plus A is what Sandhi?
Pararupa.
Pararupa Sandhi. So not Vriddhi Sandhi, Pararupa Sandhi. Gopaya plus Ti, Gopayati. Similarly, Gopayataha, Gopayanti, Iti Rupam. Right?
Yes, Guruji.
So we
Yes,
get Gopayati. This is what I gave as homework to you. So let me do the other forms. Gopayati. I think Gopayati itself is enough. All the forms you can write later. Gopayati, Gopayataha, Gopayanti, Gopayasi, Gopayataha, Gopayata, Gopayami, Gopayavaha, Gopayavaha. That is Lat Lakara Rupam. Take the next one. Give 4 dhatus, 4 or 5, 4. Doop dhatu. Take the next one. Doop. Dhatu is doop. It's a halanta dhatu. Pakara at the end. And penultimate is ukara. You have to note it is ukara. Dirga ukara. Okay, now just copy paste doing that form. Doop plus aya. Doop plus aya, what will happen? Doop plus aya. Can it take guna? Can we say
No.
do?
No, it is Dirgha U.
It is dirga. Ardhadataka pratyaya aya follows, which is not a kit, which is not a git, which is not a git. Therefore, angakarya possible. Even the angakarya, it has got, it can do angakarya provided the anga as
Rasva U.
as a ik letter, either at the end or penultimate short ik. But penultimate is long ik. So therefore, doop will not become do. It is doop only. Somebody asked this in the group. I think Girjaji, you made it a dopaya.
I changed it again, Guruji.
It is dupaya only.
Yeah.
It is dupaya. Nothing happens. So just make it into a dupaya. So therefore, form is dupayati, dupayataha, dupayanti. Dupayasi, dupayataha, dupayata. Dupayami, dupayavaha, dupayami. Similarly, the next one. Next one is
Pan.
Pandatu. Pandatu. Pan plus aya. What will happen? Pan plus aya.
Panaya.
Panaya.
What about the Angakarya? Can it
There
have
is no Angakar, there is no.
ik letter? Penultimate is Akara, not ik letter. And it is a Halanta Dhatu. Therefore, that is also not it. Therefore, Pan plus Aya, just addition. You get Panaya. Panaya is a new Dhatu, derived Dhatu now. So, Panaya plus Tip will become Panayati,
Panayati.
Panayataha, Panayanti, Panayasi, Panayataha, Panayata. The form is simple. Same thing with for Dante Nakara Dhatu, Pan Dhatu also.
Panaya.
Same. There also
Yes.
the same thing. We have the form Panaya. So Panayati, Panayataha, Panayati.
Panayataha.
So remember this Dhatu, Panaya, it's a derived Dhatu deemed to be belonging to the first Gana. Therefore, Shap will come as Gana Vikarana. Once the Pratyaya is added. Any doubt in this?
No.
No, Ji.
The next Dhatu, this is number. So this Angakarya, you please note. This is, I just wrote it here, but you can keep it anywhere. This is an important rule to be noted. Right? Shall I Where shall I put it? I will cut it and paste it just before here. In the beginning, I said, now I'm just revising that. In the beginning, for you to get familiar, I didn't talk about all those things. That's why I said Sarvadhatuka Pit, Apit only. Now you're dealing with Adadhatuka. And therefore, other information. Then we will see later, this Angakarya is going to be further refined. Even though I have put it here, I'm going to refine this further. And we are going to see the next one. Next one is number 6. So different dhatus we are seeing. While seeing different dhatus, slowly we are seeing the different possible Angakaryas. Number 6. Number 6 is, let us derive the form of Kam dhatu. Dhatu is Kam dhatu. Kam means to desire. Kam. The Kama also comes from this dhatu only. Kam. Kantau, to love, to desire. That's a dhatu. Now, this is a Atmanipadi dhatu. Can you tell the form of this dhatu?
Kamyate,
Kamyate, kamyante.
Kamyate, kamyate. How you get kamyate? Dhatu is kam dhatu. And ya also you are getting. Very nice. How you get kamyate?
Kamyate,
Hmm?
kamyate, kamyante.
Kamyate. Okay. From where you get ya? She's saying kamyate. And you are saying kamyate. From where you get ya? Yeah.
the Raya Pratyaya will
Aya
come,
pratyaya?
Charanjit?
Aya.
Aya pratyaya will come.
I pratyaya is your guess. No. So here, note this. This is another dhatu. That's why they are taking this. Okay. This kam dhatu will take ning pratyaya. Kam dhatu. Okay. Before that, I tell you another thing. This question I thought somebody will ask, but nobody asked. What is tas pratyaya? You please explain what is tas based on what I said today.
Sarvadhatuk apit pratyaya.
Apit pratyam.
Okay, and it is a nit also, right?
Deemed to be.
Deemed
It is being pratyaya.
to be nit.
It is nit. Therefore, Angakarya negated. What about mas?
Same.
Mas also same.
That also sarvadhatukam apit
Sarvadhatuka.
is
Apit.
nit. Therefore, negates Angakarya. What about maging?
Mahing.
Nit is a
It is both. It is a nit by itself,
Hmm.
and it is also Sarvadhatuka Apit.
Sarvadhatuka apit.
Here, that Nakara as it letter, is it for negating the Angakarya? Not required. Because maging, that is sarvadhatuka apit. Apit will be deemed to be nit. Already we said. That is enough to negate the Angakarya. And why this Nakara is that it is not for negating the Angakarya. It is there to form the Pratyahara thing. Thing Pratyaya. When we say thing is Pratyahara, which includes tip, tasta, nip, pasmasta, atam, it, vagi, maging. To form the Pratyahara only, Nakara is used. Not for giving nitvam to the Pratyaya. Not that. It is unnecessary. Why should? Because it is apit is nitvat. So why should we have Nakara again to give nitvam? It is not meant for that. It is meant for forming the Pratyahara. Understand?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Ji.
Yes, Ji.
Yes. Only 4 or 5 people answers. Other people are in mute. I don't know whether you understand or not. The class is too difficult. Well,
No, Guruji, just trying to absorb.
No.
That's all.
No, Guruji. Understood.
You can understand.
So when you don't answer, then now I teach this mute. Attending the class is of no purpose then. This is interactive section. I have to answer. Yes, understand or don't understand, answer. Otherwise, this is the Vedanta class. You just can Shravanam and do and go. I have to answer. Who I'm in teaching. Only the selective people are answering. Others are not answering at all. You don't have to answer the question. At least understand or not. That much also you cannot answer. Means what is the point in having this online class? So no. The Nakara is eighth letter. Anyway, your choice. Nakara is eighth letter. It is not for assigning Nittam. It is Nittam is there. It is apit, therefore Nittam is there. So Nakara, not for it is not for the not for giving Nittam, it is for the purpose of forming the Pratyahara Ting Pratyaya. Okay, then having said that, now this Kam Dhatu, coming back here, this Kam Dhatu form, we will see. Kam Dhatu, please note, this will take Ning Pratyaya. This will take Ning Pratyaya. Kam Dhatu will take Ning Pratyaya. Now, here, Ning Pratyaya, content of Ning Pratyaya, we have to know. Ning is a Pratyaya. What Pratyaya? Ning. Nakara is ith letter is therefore it is a
Nit.
Nit
Nit.
Pratyaya, we can say. But means we can say Nit Pratyaya, but that is not helpful. That's not meant for negating Angakarya. We will say why it is. Now, before that, know the content of the Ning Pratyaya. Nakara plus Ikara plus Na is there. Nakara is ith letter. There's more than in Nakara also ith letter.
Oh,
More than also ith letter. So content is
Ikara.
only
Has
Ikara.
Ikara.
Note that Nakara is ith letter and more than in Nakara also ith letter. But this more than in Nakara as ith letter has some meaning. Some important meaning is that. That is why Nakara is there. What is that? See. Pratyaya. I will add in that. Pratyaya having Nakara. I will say Nit. What is Nit? Pratyaya having Nit.
Ikara is the
Ith letter.
content.
It is there in the Pratyaya. That is called Nit Pratyaya. So we can call this as Nit Pratyaya. Pratyaya having or Pratyaya having Nakara as ith letter. Or I will change this. Nit Pratyaya, I will say. Is it okay? Understand? Remove this Pratyaya. Nit Pratyaya.
Yeah.
Nit Pratyaya or Nit Pratyaya. This is not here, I'm just saying. Means Pratyaya having Nakara as ith letter or Nya as ith letter. Nit Pratyaya follows the Anga when the Nit or Nit Pratyaya follows the Anga. What will happen? What are the Anga Karyas possible? As we saw before, when a Sarvadhatuka, Arthatuka Pratyaya follows, these are the Anga Karyas happen, right? Now, same thing I'm copying. What will happen if the Pratyaya is Nit or Nit?
Guna will.
Guna will
Guna
take.
will happen.
Guna will take
Not
place.
right. Listen, you have to listen completely. Not exact. Not guna. Iganta will take. Iganta anga will take vriddhi. Not guna.
Okay.
Iganta anga will take vriddhi. Vriddhi means what will happen? Suppose if boo is there, for example, boo. I'm adding one pratyaya, nich pratyaya. What will happen to boo now? Boo is the dhatu. Is it iganta or not? Yes or no?
It is,
Yes,
it is
How?
dirgha. It is dirgha U.
I'm adding a nich pratyaya where this nakara is ita letter. Okay.
Mm.
Chakara is ita letter. Content is e. It's a nit pratyaya. Follows. What will happen to ukara?
Oh,
How, no? How?
Oh,
oh,
O or nothing will happen. What will happen?
How will
It's in
happen?
dirgha ukara.
Dirgha
no.
So that
Oh,
rasva dirgha does not matter here.
doesn't matter. Where is just a dirgha? Iganta
Okay.
anga only we are talking about.
yes.
So what will happen?
How? It will become how.
It become O.
Oh,
Bow. It becomes bow. Ukara will be replaced by vriddhi. If it is shap, already we saw. Shap is sarvadhataka pratyaya. Bo will become
Bhava.
huh?
Bho.
Bo. Bo plus then only
Bo.
become bhava.
yes.
So why did you ask that question? Dirgha doesn't matter. Here also dirgha doesn't matter. Igantanga will take guna. That's what we said, right? Yodiji.
Yes.
Mhm.
So whether it is rasva or dirgha at the end doesn't matter. Order maybe if it is a ik letter, then followed by the pratyaya, accordingly angakara will happen. Here we are talking about when a nit or a nit pratyaya follows, what will happen? If it is a example, nich pratyaya I'm saying, then it become bau, vriddhi.
Okay.
Similarly, now, when if it is rasva ikupada, it will take guna only. But this condition doesn't, this karya doesn't change. When if the upada is equal letter, rasva, if the upada is rasva equal letter, then it will take guna. Then a nit pratyaya or nit pratyaya follows. Now, if it is rasva at upada, what is at upada? What do you mean by at?
only Haraswa A.
Only Aswaka.
Only
Only
rasvakara.
akara.
If the upada is rasvakara, then it will take vriddhi. For example, pat dhatu. I'm just checking pat. Pat dhatu having nich pratyaya. Pat dhatu nich pratyaya. Now what will happen? What is the last letter? Is it a ik letter?
No.
No.
No, Guruji.
Upada is
Akara.
Rasva A.
Akara.
rasva at upada. When it is followed by nit pratyaya or nit pratyaya, what will happen?
It take Vriddhi.
What will happen in vriddhi is
I.
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 Really?
Ow.
Part.
Ow.
How?
Oh. Oh.
Ow.
What are the vriddhi letters?
Or
All this sandhi and everything I taught you. Okay, you are not supposed.
I ow. I ow.
I. Oh.
Ow.
Oh.
What are the vriddhi letters? I.
I ow.
Oh. Oh.
Only two letters are the vriddhi letters.
Hmm.
Dirgha akara also.
Huh? What are the vriddhi? What are the guna letters?
A. A. O.
A.
A. A. O.
What are the vriddhi letters?
A. I. O.
I, O. First of all, you don't remember what are vriddhi letters. Very sad. I, O are the vriddhi letters. We are not supposed to forget this. All basic things. How many sandhis we have done? So many sandhis we have done. Exercises. All this we have seen vriddhi sandhi. We have seen vriddhi sandhi in different contexts. Right? What is vriddhi? Vriddhi Akara, Ikara, Ukara is a vriddhi.
Ukara.
Here the letter A is there. What is the vriddhi letter of A?
Dirgha.
Dirgha.
Akara.
Dirgha.
Akara.
Dirgha.
Akara. Yeah.
Therefore, Pat will become
Pata.
Pat.
Okay.
Pat plus E. Then it becomes Party. The party is a new dhatu.
Hmm.
Party is a new dhatu. Then party plus tip, when you add, what will happen?
E.
Tell me the next step.
Yeah.
E.
Huh?
Shap will be added.
Shab will
Shab.
come.
Up.
Because party is a new dhatu. New dhatus, I told, will be deemed to be belonging to the first gana.
First
Therefore,
gana.
shab will come. And now
Party
party
plus
plus shab, what will happen?
Yeah.
Party is the anga with regard to shab. Party plus shab is the anga with regard to tip. What will happen to party?
Patya.
Yan Sandhi.
Yan Sandhi.
Very good. No angakare will happen, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Patya.
Angakare will happen. Party is a dhatu followed by shab, sarvadhatuka prit pratyaya. Party, the dhatu, the anga ending with ik letter. So you will do sandhi only, no angakarya.
Hmm.
Is it like that? Then why did you do
No.
angakarya? Then why do we need angakarya?
First we do Angakarya, then
Then only we do Guna.
What is angakarya then? What is the first angakarya will happen?
Guna letter.
Is it a iganta dhatu or not?
It is.
Yes.
Iganta
Yes.
dhatu followed by
As
sarvadhatuka
per
prit
Ikar.
pratyaya. What will happen?
Gantata.
Huh? Iganta dhatu followed by a sarvadhatuka prit pratyaya. What will happen?
It will take Guna.
Guna, it will take a guna.
Guna will happen. What
Yes.
Guna happens, then tell me the form. What is the form?
Pateti.
Pate.
Party.
Okay.
Pate will become pate. E is replaced by A.
A.
Then pate plus shap. Content of shap is A. Pate plus A. Then pate plus A plus T. Then pate plus A. What sandhi? Now we can do sandhi karya.
Ayava.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yadi Sandhi.
Pate will be replaced by pate. Pate plus A is pataya. Pataya. Patayati. This is what teaching is.
Yes.
Patati.
Pataya.
Patayati. Kadati. Kadayati. Pashyati, darshayati, not pashyati. Okay, that's good.
Drishyati.
So this is causative form. Patati reads. Patayati, causing to read. It means teaches. Shrunoti listens. Shravayati, causing to listen. Kadati eats. Kadayati, causing to eat, means feeding. So you get the causative form of the pat dhatu. So all the dhatu can be derived like that. I'll give another example. So this is all started with this ni. Now, tell this one. Simple one. Budhatu, I'm taking Budhatu, adding nich. Tell me the form. I told part pat dhatu. Same way Budhatu tell. Bu plus nich, what will happen?
The content of niche is E. So
E.
it will become Bhu plus
Take
E.
Vruddhi.
Hmm.
Ikantanga will take Vruddhi.
Yes, good. Yeah, when Vriddhi takes what and what is the form? Iganta will take Vriddhi, correct? Tell me that. Form is?
How? Oh.
So what is the form then? Complete it. Total. What will happen to Bu then? What is the form of the Bu then?
Bhau.
Bau.
Bhau. Shab
Bhau.
plus tip. So bhavati.
Sub plus T.
Bau plus E. Now what will happen? Bau
Bhava.
plus E.
Bhava.
Bau plus E is?
Ayadi Sandhi again it will
Ayadi
become
Sandhi. Bhava.
Therefore, Au is replaced by Au,
Bhava.
Bhava.
Bhav.
not Bhava. is no bhava. A is not there.
Bhav.
Bhav only. Bhav plus
E. Bhavi.
bhavi. That is what it new dhatu is. The new dhatu now you derived by adding nich pratyaya. Bhavi. Now take this bhavi. Now the new dhatu. Add the tip pratyaya. Bhavi. Bhavi plus tip. What will happen?
Bhave.
Bhavi.
Then final form is
Bhaveti.
Ve.
Bhaveti.
Bhavayati.
bhavayati. So bhavayati is a bhu dhatu. Bhavati. Bhavayati.
Bhavaya.
Similarly, this is your homework. What will happen to kam dhatu? We will see the last class. Just you do this. Kad dhatu. I'm giving this as your homework. I already told the form. Right? I told you the form, kadayati, but you can try the nijanta rupam. This is the causative form. Fat dhatu. Then
Shravan.
chal dhatu. These some dhatus. You can try the causative form of these dhatus. When you, because we have seen now, the 10th gana is also covered. You will see how it is covered later. I'll tell you how it is covered. You can see this. Then ni dhatu. That also you can try. I'll give 5 dhatus. Ni dhatu is ubhayapari, therefore you can, both will come. Then this E, U, Bu dhatu already I did. Then other dhatu we can take from here. We'll take Vrid dhatu. This dhatu please try.
Okay.
These dhatus. You know the latlakara form. What is the latlakara form of simple kad dhatu?
Kadati.
Pati.
Kadati.
What is
Patati.
patati?
Chalati.
Chal is
Chalati.
Chalati.
ni
Nayati.
Nayati.
nayati or nayati. It's ubhayapadi. Vrid dhatu, atmanipadi dhatu. This would be
Vardhate.
Vardate.
now the same 5 dhatus. You do causative form. For causative form, you need to add niche.
Siddharth.
Adding niche, what will happen? Niche being a, okay, I didn't ask you this. Niche what pratyaya? Sarvadhatukam or adhadhatukam?
Ardhadhatukam.
Ardhadhatukam.
Kanna modi revolsum. This is all closing your eyes, you have to answer. 2 a.m. question. 2 a.m. means in the midnight, if you wake up, if I wake you up and ask what is, then you should be able to say Sarvadhatukam, adhadhatukam. That much clarity must be there. So when a pratyaya having nit or ngit follows, then iganta will take vriddhi, rasvaikupada will take guna, rasvatupada will take vriddhi. These are the 3 important angakaryas which you need to note in the context of is pratyaya having pratyaya, nit pratyaya follows the anga. This is new what you have learned today. Apply this and derive the causative form of these status. When you can do this, then 10th gana also and first gana, 10th gana almost done.
Excuse me, Guruji.
So
Can
2,
I ask it?
yes, please ask.
That niche and nit, is there a difference between the two? Because the packing
Nit
letter is chakara, the other one is takara.
Takara.
Does it make any difference?
I didn't get you. Again, what is that?
Like nit is takara in the end, nich is chakara in the end. Does it make any
I didn't
difference?
understand. Here, what is nit means nakara is it in which, that is called nit. Nakara is it in which, that is called nit. Don't confuse with this. Nich is a pratyaya, whereas here nit is not a pratyaya. This is a part of the pratyaya.
Okay.
Nich can be called a nit pratyaya. Why? Because nakara is it. Chakara is there, therefore we can call it as a chit pratyaya. But anyway, calling as a chit pratyaya doesn't have any purpose. Okay, now let you, because you asked this question, it means the same question should have asked here also. Tip pratyaya is it's a pit or not?
Yep.
We say
It's a
sarvadhartukam
pit
pit pratyaya. What does it mean?
Hmm.
then? The same thing here also. Got it?
Okay, Guruji.
Yes or no?
Now let me think about it. I'll just go through it again.
Nakara is it in which? In which pratyaya? Nakara is it letter. Therefore, I can call this as nit pratyaya.
Mhm.
As I can refer to a person by the feature. The long-nosed one means we know that person is having a long. Similarly, here also, which pratyaya is that pratyaya. I mean, Akara is it letter. Therefore, I can call it as nit pratyaya.
Hmm.
I can call tip pratyaya. This is a pit pratyaya. I can call shap pratyaya as a pit pratyaya as well as a shit pratyaya. Because it is shit, therefore only sarvadhartukam.
Hmm.
The purpose of having the it letter, it's for either for naming, either for causing angakarya or for negating angakarya. It has got all have got utility.
Hmm.
Letters have got utility. I am addressing, I'm calling the nich pratyaya by its property. Nakara is an attribute. With that, I'm saying nit pratyaya. If it is nit pratyaya, angakarya will happen. Right?
Okay. Yep.
So
Got
don't
it.
confuse. Okay, at least you asked openly. I don't know how many have this confusion. And I say nit is nakara is it in which, that is called nit. Nich pratyaya is a nit pratyaya when I say nakara is it in nich. Therefore, I can call nich as nit pratyaya. Right?
Okay.
So when a nit, so we don't know. See, there are so many pratyayas are there. But if nakara is it letter in the pratyaya, then this angakaryas will happen. That is what I want to say. I will not bother about what is the content of the pratyaya or what are the other it letters. I don't need bother. But if the pratyaya is nit pratyaya, it meaning nakara as it letter is there, then it must do this angakarya. How do I say that? By calling it as nit pratyaya. That pratyaya having this property, nakara as it letter. Those follow, those any of the pratyaya follows, then angakarya will happen. So by calling nit pratyaya, I am referring to any pratyaya or those pratyayas having nakara as it letter, which when follows the angakarya will happen. Similarly for nit also. Nit is nakara is it in which. That is called nit pratyaya. Suppose if I say there is a pratyaya, just an example sake I'm writing, going pratyaya. It's a pratyaya having nakara as it letter. Therefore, this is a nit pratyaya.
Hmm.
Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So please try this 4. After that, we will do the first gana, the kam dhatu, where it is ning pratyaya. Here also ning pratyaya. Nakara is it letter. It's a nit pratyaya. Being nit pratyaya, these angakaryas will happen. These angakaryas will happen. That is why I started this topic. When nit pratyaya follows, what will happen? These are the possible angakaryas. Now we can combine both the angakaryas and see that we will do in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes, Guruji. Thank you so much.
Any doubts? Anybody? Please do the homework and send it to the group. I'm seeing that. Okay, it's not an NC. I saw that. Somebody has sent personally also. You can send it to the group. So we stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. We will complete first gana and then we can continue infantry.
Okay, Guruji.
That I will
Okay.
complete, but it's not able to complete. It's lengthening, going on and on. Okay, we'll come.
Sharon ji, can you please share this document if you don't mind?
Yes. Last class also I shared, I think.
Yeah. This one with the updates, please.
Yeah, I'll share that.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Guruji.